Maharajji, the mind feels restless. There is a sense of dissatisfaction in haste, and always busy, leading to sorrow in life. And
No, we are saying, how long will you hurry? After all, death is coming too. We don't know when it will happen, whether tomorrow or later. How long will you keep this hurry? Sometimes take a rest. Sometimes be patient. Sometimes take a look at your final result to see what you will take with you when you leave. Are you earning what you need to take with you or not? Nothing from this country is going to go. Everything, including the body, will be left here. There is hurry for that. And death is approaching. It is counting your every second. When it is the last second, whether young, old, a child, in the womb or outside the womb, it will kill. Now when we go from here, what do we have? If we have meditated, we have that. Or if we have committed sinful deeds, virtuous deeds, that is what we have. So what have we done mostly? Before dying to the mat. If sins have been committed, set fire to that bundle. By chanting names, going on pilgrimages and bringing happiness to others. Rushing too much is not okay. How long will you keep doing this? A whole life has passed. Sometimes think about rest. When will you get rest? This happens, then that happens, then this, then that. This sequence will always continue. So far, it hasn't happened to anyone that now I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to do this. This illusion persists. But I want to attain God. I want to meet God in this life. I want to perform such devotion that there is no next birth. Who thinks about this? If we keep doing all this and the body is gone, then we don't know which form we'll acquire. Pig, dog, donkey, camel, there are so many forms. In haste, we won't be able to do anything. So we need wisdom to chant the name, do our work while thinking of God, and act with a lot of patience. In haste, our body could leave us at any time. What will we gain? Therefore, be cautious. Pure food, pure thoughts, pure conduct, and chanting the name. Then your life will be good. The mind will then be calm and remain happy. How much rush? If you finish one task, 5 more will arise. If you finish 5, 50 arrangement will be needed. This is illusion. This never lets anyone live in peace. Only those who have taken refuge in God and sung praises have lived in peace. Otherwise, everyone is troubled, everyone's mind is disturbed. Those who do not chant are all troubled. Just look around. Find anyone who says, I am satisfied with my life, as that I am attaining contentment. Only one who is connected to God can say that, otherwise not. Therefore, chant the name, have pure food, pure thoughts, and pure conduct. How far will you rush? How much will you do? And whatever you do will all remain here. So, enjoy yourself, live joyfully. Human life is for fun and joy, but we seek fun and joy in alcohol, adultery, and bad behavior. No, self-control, purity, and thoughts of God bring joy and fun. When it comes to fun, people run towards alcohol and bad behavior. That is not the real fun. No, the fun is not there. Over there is downfall, destruction. The true fun is towards Sachidananda Bhagwan.